Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na goma a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna koyi Python. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allah zan yi bayani akan Python tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado, abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani ne akan ɗaya daga cikin categories na operators da muke da su, wanda shine arithmetic operators, wanda na yi bayanin yana da addition, subtraction, multiplication, division da kuma modulus. Yau insha Allah za mu yi bayani ne akan comparison operators ko kuma relational operators, because sometimes zaka ji wasu suna kiran su relational operators, zaka ji wasu suna kiran su comparison operators. So the same operators ne, symbols ɗaya ne, abu ɗaya ne, comparison da relational operators. Abin da waɗannan operators ɗin suke shi ne suna comparing na two variables ne, shine abin da suke suna comparing na two variables ne, sannan su ba da result na true or false. Da haka boolean results suke badawa, boolean results suke badawa. Mun san me boolean, so if mutum bai san boolean ba, is a true or false data types. Mun yi data types a video namu, wanda bai kalli data types ba ya je kalli data types domin ya fahimci wannan. So idan muka yi comparing two or more two variables, is going to give us boolean result. That is, outcome in comparison or relational operator is going to be true or false. That's what we are going to see, a true or false. So let's see how it works. How many symbols do we have under these comparison operators? One, we have equal to. We have equal to, which is symbol in dictionary equal to guda biyu, and we also have not equal to. Shine wannan exclamation mark, the equal to. We have greater than, let me just put it, greater than, which is coefficient greater than. Then we have less than, wanda shine symbol nashi. Then we have greater than or equal to, that is this. Then we have less than or equal to, which is coefficient shine wannan. So this is these are the symbols that muke da su when it comes to comparison operators. So let me make it, turn it to markdown, so that we'll insert a cell. We practice kowa ya ga yadda ake aiki da su. So let me create a variable and say, let me just call this today's variable, let me call it Ahmad. So I'm going to say Ahmad is equals to, let's say, 100. I will run Ahmad, then I will say Hamad is equals to 300. So now let me run Hamad again. So now if I want to use comparison operators, let's start with the equal to. I'm going to say Ahmad is equal to Hamad. By mere looking, idan na tambaye ka me zai faru, kai ka san cewa it's going to give us false. Why? Because Ahmad is 100, Hamad is 300. If I said Ahmad is 100, if I said Ahmad is Hamad, definitely Ahmad is not Hamad, because 100 is not what? It's not equal to 300. If I said Hamad is Ahmad, Hamad is not Ahmad, because Ahmad is 100, Hamad is 300. That's what this equal to is going to give us. So let's just print it and see. Print Ahmad is equals to Hamad. It's going to give us false, because Ahmad is not Hamad, 100 is not 300. So this is what this comparison operators is always doing for. If I change this Ahmad, let me turn Ahmad to 300. Now if I run Ahmad and I run my result, it's going to give us 2, because now Ahmad is Hamad. Why? Because 300 is 300. 300 is equal to 300. That's how it is. So this is what this equal to will do for us. So let's move forward. Let's say let me turn it to 100 the way it is. And if I said now let me print Ahmad is not, then I put exclamation and equal to is not Ahmad, what do you think is going to give us? It's going to give us what? True, because of course Ahmad is not Ahmad, because Ahmad is 100, Ahmad is 300, so they are not the same. So this is what these comparison operators did. If I want to do for greater than, then I'm going to say print Ahmad is greater than Ahmad. Then I use the sign. Now if I press enter, it's going to give us false, because 100 is not greater than 300, because 100 is less than 300. So now if I use the opposite one, I say Ahmad is less than Ahmad, definitely is going to give us true, because Ahmad is less than Ahmad. So this is what all these comparison operators will do. Comparing two variables is going to give you what? Is definitely going to give you is going to give you true or false. So let's use the greater than or equals to. Then I'm going to say print Ahmad is greater than or equals to Ahmad. Definitely is going to give us false, because what we put greater than or equals to, both of them are not true. But now if I turn Ahmad to 300 and I run it, now if I run my result, it's going to give us true, because what? Ahmad is not greater than Ahmad, but is equals to what? Is equals to Ahmad. That means this greater than and equals to is like two expression. It's either greater than it or is equals to it. So now if I turn this Ahmad to be 500, now is greater than Ahmad. So definitely it will remain true, because though it's not equal to Ahmad by equal dated Ahmad, but Ahmad is greater than what? Is greater than Ahmad. And if I want to print the opposite one, I'm going to say Ahmad is less than or equals to Ahmad. Now if I press it, it's going to give us false, because Ahmad is not less than Ahmad and is not equals to Ahmad. But if I turn it back to 100 or 200, then it's going to give us true, because it's not equal to Ahmad, amma kuma is what? Is less than Ahmad. So wannan shine abunda comparison operators take. Duk lokacin da muka yi amfani da su duka, abunda za su ba mu result in za su ba mu true or false. Please understand this comparison or relational operators da kyau, ba su da wani wahala. Kawai mutum ya fahimci me suke yi, sai ya alakanta su da variables nashi, za su ba shi result na true or false. Boolean results suke badawa. Kuma insha Allah nan za mu tsaya cikin wannan video, da fatar Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.